Hi, I'm Mitchell and welcome to another video in the RSP educational series. Today we're going to talk about signal conditioning within control panels. So signal conditioning is a very important concept and topic, and it eliminates a lot of problems if you use it right. Starting with basic concepts like addressing the signal level mismatches and noise, and we're going to move to more advanced topics like isolation, scaling, and linearization. By the end of this video, you'll understand when and why to use signal conditioning to make sure you have optimal system performance. As always, if you like this kind of content and want more educational videos, like and subscribe. Also, this video is for educational purposes only. Consult a professional for your application. RSP Supply is not liable for any misuse. With that said, let's get started. Why is signal conditioning essential to industrial automation? Within automation, signals are the lifeblood of your control panel. But what happens when signals are noisy or incompatible or prone to interference? That's where signal conditioning comes in. Today we're going to explore the different scenarios where signal conditioning is essential. We're going to go over key challenges addressed by signal conditioning, kind of like signal noise is one. In industrial environments with a lot of electromagnetic interference or EMI, this is going to distort your signals. Noise sources like motors, VFDs, radio frequency interference, these are all commonly found in industrial settings, and they're going to be able to be measured by tools like an oscilloscope or a spectrum analyzer. Using filters in your signal conditioning setup is going to isolate and clean signals. This is going to ensure accurate readings. Signal level mismatch is another item addressed. So sometimes the sensor output doesn't meet the input requirements of the controller or device. For example, thermocouples, they output signals in millivolts, which then need to be amplified before being processed by a PLC. Signal conditioning ensures that these signals are compatible. Signal format conversion is also addressed with conditioning. Signals need to change formats to work with your control system. For example, in converting a 4 to 20 milliamp signal to a 0 to 10 volt signal. This is going to ensure compatibility with a controller. Electrical isolation is another task for signal conditioning. It's vital in protecting your system from surges and ground loops. For example, isolating a 4 to 20 milliamp current loop from the PLC input is going to prevent damage from voltage spikes. Multiplexing and signal splitting. This is allowing multiple systems to share sensor outputs. This kind of versatility is going to reduce hardware requirements and greatly simplify your panel design. Why would you use signal conditioning? Now that we know when to use it, let's talk about its key benefits. You're going to have improved signal quality. You're going to be filtering out noise and interference, delivering clean and reliable data. Enhanced compatibility. We're going to align signal levels and formats, making integration seamless and possible. System protection. You're going to be preventing damage from surges and spikes and grounding loops and grounding issues. Accurate data representation within your panels and HMIs. This is going to ensure sensors provide meaningful data for optimal performance and reviewing. Increased reliability, right? We're going to be addressing noise and mismatches and improving system stability with the signal conditioning. Flexibility is another strength that's increased. That's going to enable the use of diverse sensors and devices within your control panel. So to conclude, signal conditioning is a lot more than just an expensive or pricey add-on. It's a necessity in industrial automation. When you ensure precise, clean, and compatible signals, you're safeguarding and protecting your system's performance and reliability. In our next video, we'll dive deeper into signal conditioning. We'll cover noise filtering, measuring tools, amplifiers, pitfalls in signal conversion. We'll also explore analog to digital and digital to analog conversion with microcontrollers and PLCs. We'll go over electrical isolation methods, ground loops, multiplexers more in depth, signal degradation, and active splitters, all just to equip you with advanced insights for industrial control panels. For a full line of signal conditioning and thousands, hundreds of thousands of industrial and automation products, go to our website. Also, for more information and other educational videos, go to rspsupply.com, the internet's top source for industrial hardware.